Down on Unity Beach's fishing lake, right at the perfect time. What's your name, buddy?
Steve Castle.
Steve Castle has just landed himself. Beautiful common carp. Look at that. What would you give that? 6.5, 7?
Oh, I don't know. I'm not sure. Nice though, isn't it? Nice condition.
Oh, he's a lovely fish.
Condition.
Good job, Steve.
Thank you very much.
I'm guessing you've been here a little while, yeah? A couple of minutes?
Oh, it's nearly about 10 minutes now.
So as long as you guys have got a rod licence, you are welcome, more than welcome, to come down and fish the lake. Dawn till dusk. I did hear, Steve, that somebody in a competition recently, right at the last minute, won with a 13.8 from the margins.
Oh, really?
There's a 13.8 in here, probably even bigger.
What do you think that is?
I'll tell you what,
The problem is, my missus not here to take a picture.
so as a realist, mate, I'd probably give you 7 to 8 on that. As a fisherman,
nice.
I'd give you £20.
Let's see if I can get my missus here to take a picture.
Good job, Steve.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, mate.
Cheers.